Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be giving you a 108 megapixel of a camera sensor. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that Samsung is currently dominating the market and some other companies like Oppo, Vivo, Google and even OnePlus are coming with their own foldable devices, and the competition is growing every day. We already know that Samsung foldables are come a long way from the first generation. Well, according to new leak, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be bringing some improvement to the camera department as well. As you know that Z Fold 3 was featuring a triple camera setup, 12 megapixel of main, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a telephoto lens. It's the same sensor that we have seen in the 3 generation of foldable devices. A few days back, the leak had reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be coming with a 10 megapixel of 3x telephoto sensor as the S22 range, and now the leaker implies that the device will be featuring a Galaxy S22 Ultra 108 megapixel main camera. Well, as you know that the S22 Ultra 108 megapixel is capable of producing high detailed, well balanced picture, and its night photography performance is also impressive. The sensor can also record 8K videos at 24 frames per second, so it's likely that the Z Fold 4 will also be supporting an 8K video. This could make it one of the best camera phones of 2022 in terms of foldable devices. The third sensor that will be coming is the 12 megapixel ultra wide unit, but it's not known at the moment whether it will be the same S22 Ultra like sensor or the same Z Fold 3 sensor that appeared last year. The Z Fold 3 was offering two selfie cameras, one was under display and the other one was a punch hole cutout. Well, the Z Fold 4 is expected to be having a much better under display camera, and this time around the cover display is also expected to have an under panel camera as well. The Z Fold 4 is also likely to be thinner than its predecessor, which will be made possible by a single hinge design and could also have a slot for the S Pen stylus. The device is expected to stick with the physical fingerprint scanner on the power button. And moving forward, the device may be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, an improved version of Qualcomm current flagship chip that will be manufactured using the 4nm processor, and it's also manufactured by TSMC. It's also expected to retain its predecessor 4400 mAh battery and might be a little more affordable than the Z Fold 3, which starts at $1,800. Samsung will likely to announce the device in Q3, and it will face a competition from Oppo Find N and Vivo X Fold, as well as Google Pixel Notepad, which is expected to be launching in Q4. So guys, overall I think that Z Fold 4 main camera improvement will definitely bring more users into the foldable category. One thing that Samsung must improve is the pricing. If the pricing could be around $1,500 or $1,400 for the Z Fold series 4, then definitely I think more people will buy that. Anyway guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.